All right. So as we look at question D on page 431, our question is, what rock forms in the zone of contact metamorphism between E and F? Now, in order to figure this out, we have to ask two questions and answer them. What was this rock that is going to form here now originally? And what will this rock get cooked into? Now, one thing that you notice here are these marks. These marks, as you look at the key, are called contact metamorphism marks. Okay? And so basically, this is really hot rock that on either side of it burned the other rocks. Now, between E and F, we need to ask ourselves, what was this rock originally that is now going to get cooked? Between E and F, the rock was originally whatever F is, this thing with all the dots. Now, to answer that, we need to go ahead and go back to our reference table, the top of page 7, sedimentary rock identification, and look for a map symbol that has a bunch of dots. Now, it won't look exactly like this picture, but it'll look close, and that rock is sandstone. So this rock here is actually sandstone. So before E came in and burnt both sides of it, the rock was sandstone minding its business, and then it got burned by contact metamorphism. What type of rock turns into that, or does that turn into, I should say? In order to figure that out, we need to look at contact metamorphism, these 4 rocks here, and the comment section. This tells you what it used to be. So for example, shale that is applied to regional metamorphism applied to shale becomes slate. Regional metamorphism or heat and pressure applied to slate becomes phyllite. If you add more heat and pressure to this, it becomes schist. If you add more heat and pressure to this, it becomes gneiss. However, regional metamorphism added to bituminous coal becomes anthracite coal. Contact metamorphism to various rocks can turn into hornfels. Regional ore contact to sandstone can become quartzite, etc., etc. Based on what we know so far, we know that this is sandstone and it got burned by contact metamorphism. And putting those clues together, contact metamorphism and sandstone, we know one answer is quartzite. Our second answer is contact metamorphism added to many different types of rocks can become hornfels. So in this case, we actually have two answers, hornfels and quartzite. And that is how that question works.